beautiful roasted, crispy chicken. It's really important when you're making a roasted chicken to season the inside of the chicken as well as seasoning the outside. And with that, I've got some aromatics, I've got lemon, I've got some onions and some garlic. So we're just gonna chop everything up and make, it almost looks like a salad. Not really salad you would eat, but a salad full of great smells. Probably half a bunch of fresh thyme, sticks and everything, don't worry about it. All right, so we got that. Put it on the side, and that's gonna go inside the chicken. We're gonna take our chicken here, beautiful chicken. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of our beautiful aromatics, I'm gonna stuff it on the inside of the bird. Now again, it's already seasoned with salt and pepper, so we don't have to season the cavity now. Put all the stuff in. Now take a look what happens to the chicken. Once you start to stuff, it really gains all of its shape back. All right, it starts to plump itself back up again. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie the chicken up. I'm gonna go around the front of the neck, right underneath the breasts. All right, I'm gonna wrap the string under the wings one more time, okay? Now we're on the back side of the wings. All right, then I'm gonna bring the string under the legs, okay? And then start to cinch the whole thing together. See how it takes shape? All right, then, all right, we take the string, wrap it around the knuckles a couple of times, pull the whole thing together, all right, and then tie a little bow around top, all right? And you've got a handsome little bird that looks like it came out of a rotisserie shop. All right, I'm gonna pat the chicken dry. All right, we're gonna take our bacon, all right, and we're gonna introduce it to Mr. Chicken and make them really good friends. I'm gonna take the first strip of bacon and wrap it around the front of the chicken like a collar, okay? And just sort of like nestle around the wings, just like that, and the bacon will stick to the chicken. Okay, and then we're gonna take the second strip, and we're gonna do that again, but just from the back side. All right, and then we're gonna take the bacon itself and just stretch it out a little bit, and we're gonna sort of just kind of lay it straight across the breasts, all the way up till we get to the legs, just like that. Just like that. Okay, we're gonna take our whole guy here, put him in his little roasting house here. All right, now I have cremini mushrooms, all right, and they're just small little brown mushrooms that have a nice little nutty flavor. All right, we're gonna take the mushrooms, okay, and we're just gonna throw it all around the chicken. All right, this is such a delicious side dish. It's gonna pick up all that great flavor from the bacon, all right, and all the herbs. Looks great. All right, take the fresh thyme, sort of scatter it around the outside of the mushrooms. All right, a little bit of olive oil around top of these guys. Give them a little head start. All right, some salt, like that. A little fresh cracked pepper. All right, this is gonna go into the oven 400 degrees for an hour and some change. Could be an hour and 10 minutes, could be an hour and 15, we'll check it. All right, drop it in. We'll let this guy rest. That's really important, all right, when you're roasting any kind of meat. All that natural juice is starting to ooze out of the chicken. It's really mixing with the mushrooms. Nice little shingle of bacon all the way across. Smells fantastic. I just love dark meat. We've got these gorgeous mushrooms. All right, they're so juicy. Pile them up high. The ultimate roasted chicken